discrete contribution. First we talk about the binomial distribution, means those distribution or those events which have finite value. This is called discrete contribution. In this contribution they have they have your own probability mass function or probability density function. Now first talk about Bernoulli or binomial distribution. In this distribution, it is distribution of number of success in M independent Bernoulli trials, where probability of success remain constant from trial to trial. This is known as Bernoulli distribution. For example, you can say X number of success may be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and number of trials. P probability of event and Q unprobability of event. In the case say X times probability we getting X times and unprobability we getting N minus X times, means number of success minus number of probability. Then using binomial, by means two, by means two means maybe event occur or not. This is known as binomial distribution. Now this is the simple formula, say n to r factorial n to r p to the power x minus q to the power minus x. This is the Bernoulli trial actually. Now if you can see here, this is a better way to explain. Okay guys, a random variable x is said to be Bernoulli distribution with parameter n and p. This is the parameter. Here two parameter n or p, means only two parameter having binomial distribution. Here we can write this parameter like this: x random variable having binomial distribution with parameter n and p. If probability mass function is given by like this one, we can write here probability of x random variable x small x is equal to factorial n to p to the power x to the power n minus x, where x is defined 0, 1, 2 up to n and 0 otherwise. This is the formula of binomial distribution. If you can write a binomial trial, number of success, number of unsuccess, then this is the formula of Bernoulli or binomial distribution. We can easily find the probability of success and probability of failure with the help of these distributions. This is known as Bernoulli distribution in form of probability mass function. You know about P plus Q is equal to 1, means probability plus unprobability. Q means unprobability is always equal to 1. Then P always lies 0 to 1. Okay guys, value of probability is always 0 to 1. Now with the help of these distribution we can easily find mean, means mu1, mu2, mu3, mu4. With the help of these distribution we can directly find the value of mean, mode, median and row moment and center moment. Explain a moment with the help of Bernoulli trials or binomial distribution. We have, if you know, in previous lecture we have discussed, we have a probability mass function of Bernoulli trial like this: n factorial n factorial x, n factorial x, p to power x, q to power n minus x, and 0 otherwise. With the help of these probability mass function, this is probability mass function. We have calculate first mean. Mean means mu1 dash. Mu1 dash means expected x. Okay guys, expected x means summation x to n x multiply into probability of random variable. This is the basic formula. Find moment. Now we have probability mass function like this: summation say x into probability mass function. This one we have this one. Now write here n 2x probability of x to the power n minus x. This is the probability mass function. Now first how to explain and how to solve this. Okay guys, now write this is x. Now write here summation x into factorial n divided by factorial x n minus factorial x p to the power x q to the power n minus x. We expand the factorial, this one. Okay guys, this one like this. Hope you understand what is the factorial. Now with the factorial you may explain here. Most important terms we can write out, we take outside, say n and p. Okay guys, n from here and p from here. You can also write summation this one x into n. For example, we take another x here, x into factorial n. Explain factorial n minus 1 factorial. Okay guys, n minus n factorial divided by factorial x, say x minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 minus x bar minus x minus 1 bar factorial. Here p we can write p into p or x minus 1. Okay guys, if you put p here, we can write n q, write n minus 1 and minus x minus 1. For your confirmation, we can also write x cancel out factorial and take outside n into p summation. We have x n minus 1 factorial divided by x minus 1 factorial minus n minus 1 factorial minus x minus 1 factorial e power x minus 1 into q minus 1 minus x minus 1. This is the new formulation in form of n minus 1 x minus 1. We take n minus 1 outside. Now new formula is begun. Summation I is equal to 1 to n because n minus 1 is here. We can write n minus 1 factorial x minus 1. Sorry. N minus 1 x minus 1 p power x minus 1 q to the power n minus 1 minus, we can write here, x minus 1. Okay guys, this is the new formula of binomial distribution with the help of the expression. This expression we can write this, and here we get n into p. This is the p plus q n minus 1. This is the whole probability of p plus q. Whole expression of p plus q. We can write p plus q, and here n into p into 1 n minus 1. You know p plus q is equal to 1. Okay guys, you write here and you get mu 1 dash is equal to np. Np means mean. Then you can say here, and mean of binomial distribution is n into p, number of trials plus probability. This is the first expression. Tomorrow we will discuss a mu 2 dash means variance with the help of binomial distribution.